Reliability to us is production reliability. And you may modify this a bit. I'm not saying this is the only way to explain reliability, but people throw this word out, the reliability. We want reliability, but what is it that you're talking about when you say reliability, and how do you measure it? Well, I think a reliable production is what you want. So it's a team concept between operations, maintenance, and if you have engineering, or if you have, some of you probably have more corporate engineering. But of course, operations to us would be responsible for, not alone in this concept, but responsible for a reliable process. Whereas maintenance would be responsible for reliable equipment. And there's some overlap between those two, of course. So there's two different things. So what we talk about when we say planning and scheduling, preventive maintenance, work skills and all these things, a lot of that is over on this side. It will affect that side for sure. But maintenance should really be responsible for having reliable equipment. That's our prime responsibility. We need operations help to get there, but that's our prime responsibility. And it's also what we should be the ones advising the mill on or the plant on. Our engineers, our engineering department, and it depends on what you call engineering, it's a little bit of a gray zone, but the engineers needs to help us, both operations and maintenance, to purchase the right equipment so we can have a reliable process and reliable equipment. This is kind of how we see what reliability is. And I think these are just concepts. Once you need to get down to how do you actually work together. I think one thing is very important, that you try to work in a partnership between operations and maintenance. Operations needs to listen to maintenance regarding lubrication, alignment, the stuff that we know. And we need to listen to them on the process side, the chemistry of how we make board, how we make roof shingles. We need to listen to them, of course, of what their needs are, where their needs are. I think that's very important.